Chadwick Boseman's family fighting over late Black Panther actor's estate 6 years after his tragic death. Chadwick Boseman's family members are feuding over his estate, nearly 6 years after his tragic death. According to documents obtained by Page 6 on Tuesday, the Black Panther actor's two older brothers, Derrick and Kevin Boseman, filed a lawsuit on behalf of their parents, Leroy and Carolyn Boseman, against Chadwick's widow, Taylor Simone Ledward. The filing asks the court to remove Ledward as administrator of Chadwick's estate and order her to distribute assets to Leroy and Carolyn. The documents allege that Chadwick's wife had not distributed her late husband's estate, including over $3.8 million in assets and cash, as ordered by a court back in 2022.
Still spending forever chopping vegetables? The Full-Star Pro vegetable chopper dices onions, potatoes, and more into its container in seconds, helping make meal prep faster and tidier. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/2 before it's gone.
Derrick and Kevin allege in the docs, filed July 17 in Los Angeles, that Ledward, who inherited 50% of the actor's estate, was expected to distribute the other half equally between Chadwick's parents, with each of them receiving 25%. Nearly 4 years later, Taylor has still not distributed the estate, the documents read. Instead, Taylor continues to exert unilateral control over Chadwick's estate, denying Chadwick's family long overdue closure or participation in decision-making regarding matters affecting Leroy and Carolyn's interests in Chadwick's estate. Chadwick's brothers also allege in the filing that Ledward failed to fully account for her late husband's assets, including royalties and residuals, image and intellectual property rights, real property, a previously undisclosed bank account, and other personal property. The brothers claim Ledward, who previously claimed Chadwick's assets included $241,000 in an IRA, $3.3 million in stock for Chadwick Boseman, Inc., and $151,000 in cash, deemed by the court as a true and correct accounting in 2022, failed to officially account for numerous residual payments from SAG-AFTRA dating between 2020 and the present. Derrick and Kevin claim Chadwick's widow is not distributing rights to the late actor's intellectual property and image. These rights properly belong to Chadwick's heirs. The documents read, noting that they are ostensibly managed by Chadwick Boseman, Inc., a corporate entity completely controlled by Ledward and through which she continues to profit from Chadwick's fame. The brothers claim Ledward blocked them from pursuing lucrative business opportunities that might benefit Chadwick's elderly parents. Ultimately, they alleged Ledward's lack of transparency with them over the 42 actor's estate creates the appearance that she is concealing assets from Chadwick's family and from the court. Page 6 has reached out to Ledward's legal representation for comment, and attorneys for Derrick and Kevin did not immediately respond to Page 6's request for comment. Boseman died, notably without a will, at the age of 43 on Aug. 28, 2020, following a private and years-long battle with colon cancer.